Welcome to Impart Math Knowledge. Before watching this video, please subscribe my channel. This video is about game without saddle point, arithmetic method or shortcut method. In the given game, first you have to check saddle point exists or not. If saddle point exists means we can write the value of the game directly. If saddle point does not exist means we can go for arithmetic method, algebraic method, linear programming method, etc. Let me explain arithmetic method. Step 1, you have to take the row difference or row oddments. For that, you have to take the difference between two values in the first row and write the value against second row. Similarly, take the difference between two values of second row and write the value against first row. Then we can go for column oddments. For that, you take the difference between two values in the first column and write the value against the second column. Similarly, take the difference between two values of the second column and write the value against in the first column. While taking difference between two values, remember that always you take the difference between the highest value minus lowest. And then you have to find the probabilities of strategies of each player, that is P1 and P2 for player A and Q1 and Q2 for player B. The probability is given value divided by total value. At last you have to find the expected gain for player A and expected loss for player B. And then you write the value of the game. Let me explain the arithmetic method through simple problem. The question is solve the following game using arithmetic method. Here 2 by 2 game is given. We have to find the optimum strategies and the value of the game using arithmetic method. First step, you have to check saddle point exists or not. So for that, select the least element from each row. In the first row, least number is 1. The second row, least number is 2. Now select the maximum value from each column. The first column, maximum value is 6. Second column, maximum value is 7. Now from the row minimum, you have to select the maximum value. Here maximum value is 2. This is maximum value. From the column maximum, you have to select the minimum value. Here the minimum value is 6. We call it as minimax value. Maximum value is equal to 2. Minimax value is equal to 6. In the given game, maximum value not equal to minimax value. So, saddle point does not exist. Since saddle point does not exist, we can find the optimum strategies of player A and player B and the value of the game using arithmetic method. For that, first you have to find the row oddment. Row oddment is you have to take the difference between the first row. Always you have to take the difference between the highest value minus lowest value. So 7 minus 1 is 6. You write the value against second row. Now you take the difference between the second row. 6 minus 2 is 4. You write the value against first row. Then you find the column oddment. You take the difference between the second column. 7 minus 2 is equal to 5 and you write the value against first column. Now take the difference between the first column. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5 and write the value against in the second column. Once you find row oddment and column oddment, we have to find the probabilities of strategies of player A and player B. For player A, the probability is P1. P1 is the possibility that the player use first strategy. P1 is equal to given value. Given value is 4 divided by total value 4 plus 6. So P1 is equal to 4 by 10, that is 2 by 5. P2 is the possibility that the player use second strategy. P2 is equal to given value 6 divided by total value 4 plus 6, that is 6 by 10. So this is equal to 3 by 5. Now probability for player B. Q1 is the chance that the player B use the first strategy. Q1 is equal to given value is 5 divided by total value 5 plus 5. That is Q1 is equal to 5 by 10. Thus Q1 is equal to 1 by 2. Q2 is the probability that the player B use the second strategy. Q2 is equal to given value 5 divided by total value 5 plus 5. So Q2 is equal to 5 by 10. That is Q2 is equal to 1 by 2. Strategy for player A is A1, A2. The probability P1 is 2 by 5 and P2 is 3 by 5. Now strategies for player B is B1, B2. Q1 is equal to 1 by 2, Q2 is equal to 1 by 2. Next we have to find the value of the game. For that we have to find the expected gain for player A and expected loss for player B. Expected gain for player A. Take the first column and you multiply and add with the corresponding probabilities. That is 1 into 2 by 5 plus 6 into 3 by 5. 1 into 2 by 5 plus 6 into 3 by 5. This is equal to 2 by 5 plus 18 by 5. So 20 by 5. That is 4. Same way, you multiply and add the second column value with the corresponding probabilities. That is 7 into 2 by 5 plus 2 into 3 by 5. 7 into 2 by 5 plus 2 into 3 by 5. That is 14 by 5 plus 6 by 5. This is equal to 20 by 5, that is 4. Now expected loss for player B. For finding loss, you have to multiply the row value with the corresponding probabilities. That is 1 into 1 by 2 plus 7 into 1 by 2. Similarly, second row 6 into 1 by 2 plus 2 into 1 by 2. The first row values 1 into 1 by 2 plus 7 into 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 plus 7 by 2, that is 8 by 2. This is equal to 4. Similarly, second row 6 into 1 by 2 plus 2 into 1 by 2. This is equal to 6 by 2 plus 2 by 2. So the value is 8 by 2, that is 4. Remember that if your values are negative means player B is the gain player and player A is the loss player. Here the value is positive, so player A is the gain player. Value of the game. Value of the game is equal to 4. Let me repeat. First you have to check whether saddle point exists or not. If saddle point exists means you can write the value directly. If not, we go with some other method to find the optimum strategies and value of the game. Here we are using arithmetic method. For arithmetic method, first you have to find row oddment and column oddment and then probabilities for player A and player B. Once you find the optimum strategies for both the player, you have to find the value of the game. Thank you for watching.